Hi everyone, for today's episode, we are going to talk about money. Money in Bisaya is kwarta. Kwarta. Money is kwarta. If I want to say I have a lot of money, I can say daghan kog kwarta. Daghan kog kwarta. If I'd like to say I don't have any money, I'll say wala ko'y kwarta. Wala ko'y kwarta. And if I want to say I have some money, I can say na ako'y gamay na kwarta. If I want to say that my money is just enough, I can say sakto lang akong kwarta. Sakto lang akong kwarta. If you have a lot of money, people will say, ay, dato na siya. Dato means rich. Dato means rich. So if someone says, dato bay kaayo na sila, it means, oh, they are very rich. Dato kaayo, very rich. And if you don't have money, you say, pobre ko. Pobre means poor. Pobre means poor. Pobre kaayo means very poor. And if you're riding public transportation such as jeepneys or tricycles, you often hear drivers saying, "Sinsilyo lang ha." Sinsilyo means coins. Sinsilyo means coins. And if you want to ask for your change, you can ask, "Cambio na ako." Cambio means change. Cambio na ako. My change, please. Cambio na ako palihog. My change, please. And that's it for today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!